Welcome all degens on our channel talking about cryptocurrencies, investing and our financial future. As you can see, unfortunately, crypto market and our risk assets are going down after Fed is raising interest rates for another 0.75 basis points. We are only 1,000 above June's low on Bitcoin, which was about 17,700, which is near. Will we go there? Are we going to bounce back? Nobody knows. Will we go there? We're going to pierce down and continue going down to 14,000, 12,000? Nobody has a clue. But what we know that we are low in the market. We have good prices to accumulate. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to regularly, week after week, day after day, add to our portfolio. Of course, we do not offer any financial advice. That's what we are doing. You can do exactly the opposite. You can sell everything and be happy and safe. So, everything is red. So, there's a lot of opportunities that you can invest. But today what we're going to do, we want to show you one ecosystem that is actually going up. And that ecosystem is fun tokens, sport tokens. Most of those tokens are built on Chilliz. However, we've got two crazy tokens that are listed on some small blockchain with the name of BitC. And that is a Brazil national team token and Spain national team token. So as you can see, because we are closing in to World Cup football, soccer, wherever you are, World Cup Mundial, what those fun tokens tend to do, that is they gain in price, so they go up until the World Cup and then slowly sell off. So if you'll be quick, you may do some profits that way. That's just a short-term play. We do not recommend to hold those tokens after the World Cup. And we've got some nice tokens to look at, especially South American tokens, because South Americans are crazy about football. I've heard on the news that even government intervened because Argentinians didn't have player stickers. You know those books with stickers of players? They didn't have those, so the government had to intervene to provide to Argentinians that they all will have appropriate number of books with stickers of players. That's how crazy they are. So if they are they're so crazy about stickers with football players, imagine what they can do with tokens representing action on football, action on the pitch. That's why we are going to focus on tokens on Brazilian national token, which is priced at, you can see, it's all green. You can see it's priced at it only 18.9 million. Obviously, 2 months ago you could buy it very cheap for 1 cent. That what was in the past stays in the past. Another one interesting is, of course, Argentina. Argentina is crazy about football. Token at the moment is about 16.5 million. Of course, it wasn't that bad 2 months ago, so we're not losing on this one. So this one's very interesting. Also, we've got clubs, Spain national token, fun token, that's on Chilliz as well, and that one is priced at only 8.5 million, which is interesting. But if you bought it 2 months ago, you would make 573 times your investment. So if you invested 1,000 2 months ago, you have over 500,000. Crazy. Let's hope that this momentum will hold until November when World Cup starts. No, 8 million is still cheap, but will they reach the average of 100-something million? Maybe not. So it's easily 10-20x from here, and that's what we're counting on. It's still 2 months. They are going up, but they are going up from the bottom. so don't be afraid of those large percentages. Mango is interesting because probably if national tokens will go up, club tokens will go up, and Flamengo fan token. Flamengo is a good, very well and very followed club in Brazil. So we do recommend have a look at this one as well. It's only 4 million, I think. Yeah, 4.2 million. Oh, it's ranked on 1,193 on CoinGecko, which is low, super low, and it didn't pump yet. Only 5x. That one is interesting. So fan token. So our play is buy those fan tokens now, sell at the World Cup, and that's going to be the same. It's going to be more crazy in the bull market, obviously, but those tokens will be more expensive on the bull market as well. But you can position yourself for clubs right now at the moment because everybody's buying national teams. If you're going to buy national teams plus some clubs and wait for either South American or American club championship or European championships, Champions League, that may be also interesting, although you have to wait a bit for the next Champions League. But those tokens, club tokens, don't pump. They're still cheap, while the national tokens are already moving. So it's your decision, risk, reward. If you want to wait, you don't want to wait. We're going to play both ways, as always. Well, limit yourself. If you can make money on the side in 2 months and then make money in 6 months or 7 months. Anyway, what we want to show you is also Socios. Socios is the app of Chilliz blockchain. As you can see, they've got market here, and it's a mobile app. So most people prefer to buy on mobile. Most people prefer to do their lifestyle on mobile, not on PCs. PCs are too clunky, too big. Nobody wants to use PCs. But on mobile, why not? On mobile, I can do everything: order food, watch videos, write stuff, write emails, work. So why not take part in something like betting on token prices at the World Cup? And Chilliz, just like Chingari, the application that we were talking about a few days ago, it's also very addictive. You've got some hunting competitions. Obviously, Chilliz is also, it's not only football. You can see they are partnered with so many sports. That's why this token is priced at 1 billion. Long term, this token will do well, but it's not going to do 100x, 200x. It's going to do 5 to 10x. But long term, it's much safer play than those fan tokens. So here in the wallet, you can either transfer Chilliz, and then buy for that Chilliz on ERC Ethereum blockchain. But then you have to wait for activation. It's about 2 weeks. And if you buy with a credit card, you can buy straight away. So we recommend doing the credit card. Or, as some tokens are not listed here on Chilliz, some tokens are on different blockchain, you can use 2 exchanges. First one is MEXC exchange, and the first one is OKX.com. And we're gonna leave links to those exchanges down below on the comments and in the notes, so you can open an account if you don't have one and buy those fan tokens. All in all, Socios is a very nice app. What they do here as well, besides going to market and buying your favorite team, you can also take part in fan or token offering, which is simply getting the best price for fan token because it's just listing. So it's like ICO, it's IDO on regular exchanges. They are listing fan tokens on Socios or Chilliz application, which is very nice. But unfortunately, you've got caps here, so you cannot invest huge amounts. But why not do a little bit of that, do a little bit of this, and then overall our trading strategy should work out. So we do recommend having a look at Socios, playing with the application, learning, because future is with NFTs. Our interactions between us, between social networks, we will use NFTs, tokens, applications like Socios, applications like Gary. So why not learn them now in the bear market and be a master of disaster? When bull market comes, we will exactly know what to do, and we're going to be much faster than the other guys out there. Have a nice evening. Cheers.